What's up, guys? In this video I'm just doing a little unboxing, but check out this 250 though. Shit's listed. Got the unboxing ready. Got me insider ratchet and a new 1/2-inch impact from Milwaukee. Nice. Let's unbox this thing. Got one hand, so one hand recording. First, it comes with the sockets. Oh wait, here's the ratchet. Dang, this thing is sick, dude. I've been seeing a bunch of videos on these, but this thing is sick. Put this aside. Oh, drop the paper. There's the sockets there. I want to see these things. Nice. Goes from 21 to 8. And it has adapters for it. That side, go on to the 1/2-inch. It's gonna be a quick video, nothing. I'm sure you guys seen a bunch of these already. Whoa. There it is. Nice. This thing is sick. I even have an old one somewhere. See, newer Milwaukee 1/2-inch, older Milwaukee 1/2-inch. See the difference. Hold on. Can't hold it, but these two up. Well, the new one's a little bit taller, but the width is a lot shorter. Oh shit. Yep. Huge, a little bit shorter. Not too bad, not too bad. Three lights. This one has a single light. Alright, what's up YouTube? Got my car on the alignment rack at my job. Got the birds chirping out there. It's kind of a gloomy day. But bam. I'm gonna try to fix my front alignment a little bit, and then I gotta work on my rear toe links because I tightened the toe links with the car in the air, not with the weight of the car. You know what I mean? So I just want to retighten everything, loosen everything, and then retighten it while the car is sitting on the lift instead of being in the air with the wheels being like suspended in the air. So that's what I'm doing. I got this light on, this little funny light. See, I'm at work, still on the clock, but the 12:30 or 12 o'clock appointment hasn't showed up yet, so I'm just chilling here. Grab something to drink. Got my alignment rack. PTS, Park City Ford. Usually I just click that. This can do any car, see? So you just grab the scanner and go to the car's VIN or the barcode thing, scan it, computer reads it, computer does everything, yeah. Target not found, so you have to put these little cameras on. I'm sure you guys who knows how to do alignments know. But I'm not gonna do that just yet. I'm just gonna let that sit there. And yeah, I just gotta put my car up in the air and yeah, start wrenching. I gotta get my toolbox. It's all on the other side, so you gotta go through that door over there. But I'm just gonna lock this door so no one can bother me because the gate is open and anyone can walk in. So I actually gotta bring my tools, so I'm probably just gonna set this camera outside. Got my mobile tool cart. Okay, all my tools. Little review. This Milwaukee gun, 4th gen 1/2 inch with the friction ring. This shit's fucking beastie, dude. This thing with the red lithium battery is sick. Milwaukee Insider. This thing's fucking sick. Got the both protective boots. Got my 3/8 cordless. It's my setup, you know. Let me show you around. Got my Cornwell 1/2 inch impact. Got some more Milwaukee drills and 1/4 inch for this thing. Sockets and little bits. This I usually keep my personal stuff. Got flashlights here. Just got this one. Safety glasses. Got some more lights up here. These things kind of moved around while I was pulling it. Clean this up a bit. This is my torque wrench, and I'm going to torque for the rear toe links. So let's get this going. First, I'm going to use my Milwaukee Insider. Okay. To crack these 2 bolts. I'm going to show you in a sec. Okay, see my exhaust, this little flange, it bottoms out and it hits right here every time you go up the ramp for this alignment rack. So I'm just gonna like rotate this towards the center, just like how this one is almost. Let me grab the light. So I'm just gonna rotate that and put it more on this side. And I'm probably just gonna set you guys up somewhere here so you guys can see. Okay, so it's a 14. Let's see, add it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna break the bottom one loose first. Which is not too bad actually. Okay. Break the top one loose. Wasn't too bad. Too bad, this thing is sick, dude. It's like size 14 and a tall load, see? So the bolt actually goes through. So let me just turn it this way. It's a little bit back. Let me loosen this thing up. I want to make sure it's on the pipe where I can just, like, see, I mean, it goes, one goes into another, so I just want to make sure that's tight on. No exhaust leaks or none of that stuff. Okay, there we go. Oh, put this right there. There we go. Now it's good. All set. Alright, so I found something you won't believe it. Now I realize why all this noise was making when I go in reverse. Cause like, look at this thing. Oh man, it's kind of dirty under here, but look at this. You to freaking spin this bolt. This bolt is loose, dude. This side's not too bad. Well, you can't really see, but yeah, I'm like, what the heck? See, this is kind of dirty and stuff from this pinion, but I cleaned it and I replaced it a few videos ago. But yeah, that bolt right there. Yeah, that has to get tight. So what I really want to do is loosen this lower like control arm or toe link, whatever you would want to call it, A-arm or whatever. I think that's the toe link up there. Upper arm, control arm. No, not control arm. I don't know what the freaking words are, but yeah, these arms I want to loosen because the car is down, and I can tighten it with the car's weight on this alignment rack. So that's what I want to do. But I found an issue now. Every time I used to go up hills backwards or something, this would make crazy noises. Hopefully I didn't damage like the circle or the inside part right here. But yeah, got my 1/2-inch bar, got my swivel sockets. I'll go to my other toolbox. This is my mobile cart, but shout out to Sunex, sponsor me. But got these swivels, got my 1/2-inch, and I'm just gonna tighten stuff. I have some diagrams and paperwork from Ford. These are all the like torque, see, rear shock absorber, upper and lower, Newton meters and foot-pounds. So I have just papers and papers for this style Mustang, which is 99 to 04. But this is a new Edge, so this is 04. But yeah, these wheels are sick, dude. These are my rotors. But yeah, so I'm gonna get all the tools I need, right? And then I'm just gonna set you guys up somewhere and get to work. I'm back here by myself, working on the weekend like usual. Okay, got some blue thread locker. So I don't want these things to unloosen again. This one too, it's crazy. Look at this. So I'm assuming that just loosened from over time, because those arms been on maybe for like 2 or 3 years. I know it shouldn't like unbolt itself, right? Shouldn't loosen, but it did. So I'm just here to tighten it. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere and get to work. Got my AirPods in, so if you hear me humming and stuff, I'm just listening to music. But let's lift this thing up. Change sockets on my 1/2-inch bar. It's only a minute going by. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing because I'm just thinking, really. Thinking how I'm fucking do this. Something like that. Something like that. Alright, let me get a longer extension because this is not gonna reach. Bolt flew away, but I got it. Alright, so that one's loose. this retraction. You got a swivel taped up on a extension with a swivel socket. It's crazy. Don't need a swivel for this, so don't need a swivel. Just a swivel socket, no extension. That socket's stuck. Come on. Swivel stuck on the diff housing socket. Oh man, what a bitch. Be able to put some thread locker. The bolt doesn't have to be fully out, but okay. So I got the upper loosened. Now I just gotta do the left upper toe link is on. Control arm, whatever you want to call it. All right, I'm just saying random names. Everyone calls it different. Whatever. All right. So I'm gonna do the right side because the right side was the one that was really loose. So let's go. All this grease. Greased up. Boys greased up. Rah. Okay, this bolt next. Which I would need to hold this like that. Okay, have that. Swivel. Socket. So once I already have the left upper A-arm loosen, I just do the right and then lower the car. Lower it down on its weight and then tighten everything. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So is it? Yep. It's raining.